Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 1582, spatial position in a binary matrix. So this is the problem. So we have to, in this problem, like we have to calculate the spatial position in a matrix. So how they are defining spatial position is, so a position I comma j is called spatial if matrix of I comma j is 1 and all other elements in the row I and column j is 0. So let's understand the problem with an example. So here in the example, you can see it's a 3 cross 3 matrix. If you see the position 0 comma 0, right? It's 1, but other elements in the row 0 is 0 and column 0 is in column 0 are 0. Same as like position for 1 comma 1. So the row and column are 0. So this is a special position again for 2 comma 2, same thing. So answer of this matrix is going to be 3. So let's deep dive into the intuition behind the solution. So in special position, right, for each and every special position in that row, here is going to be a single one. So the summation of all the elements in the row is going to be 1, same as column as well. The summation of the column is going to 1, right? So what we need to do is, like, if we have all the summation of the rows and columns, right, all we have to do is, like, we have to find the intersection point where summation of the row is equal to 1 and summation of the column is equal to 1, and the matrix itself in the position is going to be 1, and that is going to give us the a single intersection point. We have to find all the intersection point in that matrix. So let's look into the constraint as well. So if you see that the number of rows can be 100 and column is also can be 100. So obviously we can store the summation of the rows and columns in a array, and this is not going to give us out of memory error. So let's deep dive into code. This is the Java code for the solution. So if you see, like, I have initialized to array, row sum and column sum. Then I'm using to nested for loop to calculate it, the row sum and column sum. So again, I'm using again to nested for loop to check all the intersection point. How I'm checking the intersection point is like where row sum is equal to 1, column sum equal to 1, and matrix value at that position is 1. So if this condition satisfies, means we are at a special position, and I'm like incrementing the count of the special position, and that giving me the answer. So the implementation is very simple. The time complexity of the solution is big O of m cross n, and space complexity is big O of m plus n, because like we are using two array here. If you feel like this video is useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.